Okay, here's our basic switch code that we just uploaded to our Chibi chip. Let's talk a little bit about each part of this code so we can understand it better and decode the code so we can play around with it a bit. Okay, the first part of our code is our variable, and our variable can be anything, but it makes most sense for us to use the word pressed since this is a switch. So the name of the variable is pressed and our value is 0. And basically this is just indicating whether the switch is pressed or not pressed. So our setup is going to tell the code which pins we're using in our circuit since it obviously cannot see, and it's just going to read the pins. It's going to put inputs and outputs on the pins that you tell it to. So we have the LED light on the 0 pin, and our 5 pin has the switch. Okay, here's our void loop, and really simply put, this is just telling our code which pin to read to see if the switch is pressed or not. So this is our if-else statement. The if part is called our condition statement, and this is really in the code where we are telling the Chibi chip what to do. So all this is saying is if the switch is pressed, then you need to turn the light on, or else if it's not pressed, then you need to turn the light off. So here's our basic code, switch code in a nutshell. If the switch is pressed, it equals 1, so that means the condition is true and you need to turn the pin on, and you can see in the visual it's pushed down so the light is on. If the switch is not pressed, that's the opposite of our condition. So that means pressed equals 0, the condition is false, and you have to turn the pin off, or the LED. And again, you can see in the visual, the switch is open and the light is off.